because I'm tucked in, I'm on the tool rest, I'm on the bevel. But I can hear it, it doesn't sound nice. You know what I mean? It's good, but it doesn't sound nice. If I go a little bit faster for me, I'm around 1500 there. Now listen. And all I'm doing is I'm tucked in, supported. I'm supported on the tool rest and I'm rubbing on the bevel. And there's no cut. Yeah? As I bring my back hand up, I feel the cut. And then I go across. So that I'm not moving my arms out when I'm doing it. I'm taking my body across as I'm doing it, and I'm taking my body. So I'm keeping this position the same all the time. And then what I'm doing also, I'm using this thumb, this finger there, I'm using that as my guide to keep this cut parallel. So if you look, tucked in, tool rest, bevel. I've got my finger and my thumb there and there, and I'm just using that as my guide. We want this action there like that. That's the correct position. Now you imagine if we dig in with that, because we're not in the right position, boom. So we've got to get the level, we've got to get it level and rub on the bevel and wind and bring it in this position like this as we're doing it, and that's what you get a nice shaving from it. It's not easy at first, but you've got to persevere and you've got to get your technique right when you're doing it. So we can go on the bevel and we take it across. But when you look at this that I've just done, it's just ripping the fibres. Yeah? Yeah. Because it's the wrong technique. It will do it, but it rips the fibres and it gives you this feel. What we need to do again is we need to rub on this bevel. Yeah. So we need to rub on this side and roll, and then rub on this side and roll in. So we do two. We go from the bigger diameter to the smaller diameter. And when we do that, and we rub on, what you'll see is the correct method and the incorrect method.